This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start by confirming you can connect to the SQL server and that you have create database privileges. This prevents mid-task permission failures. Once connected, pick a clear database name, encoding, and collation to avoid later charset issues. Next, open your SQL client or admin console and authenticate as an administrator. Now execute the first command, create database DB name, so you begin the process immediately, while settings are fresh and consistent across environments. Once the database exists, refine its configuration by reissuing Create Database with options or altering settings. Specify encoding and collation to match application requirements, choose a template if needed, and set file paths so data and logs separate for performance. Make sure to set initial size and growth policies to avoid fragmentation. Assign an owner and default schema so object creation behaves predictably. Finally, check storage quotas and table space assignments so growth won't break later. After configuration, grant the required roles and privileges to application and DBA accounts so you control access. Use least privilege for safety. Connect directly to the new database, create a basic schema and sample tables, then run a quick insert and select to confirm functionality. Make an initial full backup and enable monitoring for growth and errors. Troubleshooting tip: if the DB won't start, check error logs for file path or permission errors, fix OS level permissions, and restart the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.